Hello, thanks for tuning in to our August 2019 newsletter video. We've had a great summer so far and we hope you've had the same. Hopefully you've had some time to get away with your families or take yourself somewhere where you enjoy and can relax and get away from the daily rhythms here that we go through. We have been working very hard this summer, constantly refining our team, training our team on techniques, everything from weed eating and edging all the way through mowing, even down to the science of mixing our two-cycle engines, the fuel for our two-cycle engines properly. Stuff really matters. It helps our equipment perform and last longer. We get our guys thinking in terms of prolonging the life of our equipment, taking care of property as if it were your own. Those are the little things that help the culture of the company better and better itself. And our guys here are really buying into that. We're real excited about that because when they're buying into those little things, they're doing the bigger things better. And that benefits you and your lawn and the way that we serve our customers. So we're very excited about that here. A couple of things that we are looking at out there as far as problems go right now. Late summer, we start to see a lot of insects show up in the lawn. Chinch bugs, mole crickets, those are probably the two biggest pests that we've seen right now. On St. Augustine lawns, I've seen recently a lot of chinch bug start to come out. If your lawn looks like it's drying out in a few spots, but they're kind of irregular and it's not really consistent over the whole lawn, chances are that's probably a chinch bug that's getting into your grass. Let us know if you see that. We try to stay on top of that too. Our maintenance teams see it and identify it, and we can come out and treat it for you. I want to mention too plant materials, things like viburnums, ligustrums, gardenias, crepe myrtles. This is the time of year that we start seeing that black sooty mold substance on the leaf. That's actually a fungus. The fungus forms from the secretion of insects, so things like aphids and whiteflies will get on your leaf and start to suck the sap out of the leaf. It'll turn it yellow. Okay, it's a problem. It's not going to necessarily kill the plant, but it will make it look bad. So from an aesthetic standpoint, we need to treat this. That is included within the scope of your landscape maintenance agreement. If you are a regular maintenance customer of ours, we are treating that for you on a regular basis, and you can be looking for our teams to be doing that in your lawn here this month. Another thing that we're real excited about, I shared with you in July that we're getting ready to put down our second fertilizer application of the season. If you haven't seen it yet this week, it should be down next week. But we are really excited about this product. I haven't really gone into this before with you, but and I don't mean to bore you with details, but we really care about what we're putting on your lawn. We work with a local agronomist here who has years of experience mixing this stuff, growing grass, and we have formulated a fertilizer that is custom blend for us and for our needs. What we believe is going to be best for your lawn. You can't go buy this on the shelf of the store. You can't get it at a lot of the local suppliers. This is what is custom blend for Coastal Shores Landscape. We care about all the little details, even down to how it's mixed. So for instance, this product that we're putting on your lawn this month is a granular product. It's coated with a biological agent, okay? And as that stuff, what that does is it reaches the soil, it breaks down, and it kind of forms a gel-like substance. And that gel-like substance holds all the nutrients that your grass needs, okay? But the benefit of the gel is that it doesn't wash out in a big gully washer rainfall. It is actually going to slowly break down over the course of about 3 to 4 months. So we're putting it down now, but we're going to be feeding your lawn all the way into the fall. All right, so that's what we have coming for you. Stay tuned. There'll be more on that. The fertilizer that we're using, there's going to be more on that later on this month. And stay tuned as well. We'll be releasing some other videos just about some other problems in the landscape that you can see, what to look for, and how to treat it, to give you a little bit more education. Again, we really appreciate all you guys as our customers. We couldn't be here without you, and we really value you. So thank you, a big thank you for all that you do for us, and thanks again for tuning in, August 2019 news video.